Croeso i'r stream. Heddiw ni'n mynd i bod yn chwarae Deluded, sef Gêm FMV. Fi ddim yn gwybod os bydd yna elfennau point and click hefyd. Mae Owain, chi methu gweld Owain, ond mae fe gyda ni. Maen nhw gyd yn gallu gwylio y gêm yr un pryd, so ni'n barod i fynd. Ni'n hanner a hanner am y gêm yma, achos mae reviews yn eitha cymysg. Ond, gawn ni weld. Mae'n neis i just taflu ni hunain mewn i gêm ni ddim really yn gwybod am, ond ni yn hoffi'r genre yma. Okay? Right. New game. Yes. A fi jyst eisiau gwirio bod ble ni di roi ein pennau ni yn addas. Mae'n edrych fel bod e.
So subtitles though.
Does dim game audio ar y stream.
Ti gyda'r audio?
Like ar y Twitch stream, sorry. Mae'n game audio ar Discord ond nid ar Twitch.
Oh yeah.
All right. Na, dim o gwbl. Okay,
Did you just faint again?
Try y lan ychydig.
Just remember clywed it.
Oh.
We're going to
Do
close
you
it
need
now.
some rest?
Okay, I need rest, let's work. I need
I
rest.
prefer to stay in the car.
Yeah.
Un o rai neto, pobl.
Bantani!
Oh, good. Good. Really mynd gyda teimlad.
Yeah, dim os na'n mynd yma.
Na. Okay, exit car.
Beth oedd hwnna? Oedd hwnna like flashback?
Yeah.
Fi'n credu bod e.
No, interesting, is di?
I'm glad you're feeling better.
Na, nes I ddim really, o'n I ddim eisiau.
What have we got?
It's a classic hit and run, but no ID. I'm so excited to be back on field again.
Head of a chasing lost cats.
Show us some
Show some
respect.
Somebody
respect.
just died here. Show some respect.
Okay.
Okay, though.
Check evidence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on in.
You stopped here after the hit.
Oh. Right. Oh.
Oh. Beth oedd y sŵn o'na, mae'n
Yeah.
Mae'n coed.
Dwi'n meddwl i dim vibes bod yn plisfan i fi.
Na.
Na, dwi ddim.
Dwi'n polo shit.
Na.
Dwi'n y gun holster yna, ie.
Scooby-Doo vibes ar hyn o bryd.
Mae byth wedi gwisgo gun holster o flaen.
Na, ddo.
Okay, ni'n...
Croeso i'r
Oh,
stream,
are you
the
lost?
Red Naxo a Starship
Thought I
Kiwi.
saw something.
I think we're done
Skibidi
here.
Sigma, bore da.
Oh god.
Be oedd fi'n colli fan'na? Fi'n mynd o beth yna.
Na,
Na, fi'n credu bai fi angen really bod on it gyda clicio y botymau. Achos
Oed?
Wel, oedd na fel aderyn bach ar y llawr
Can
fan'na.
never
nes i ddim
understand a
pigo
good
fyny
driver.
ono fe.
Pam nath i symud set cari os hi yn thrifio?
Yeah.
Hugging that steering wheel.
Fuck off.
Wow.
Oh, banter.
Okay.
Ond fi ddim...
Wel, un checkpoint, un evidence thing.
You just went, whatever. Let's
Un evidence thing nes di wneud.
Yeah. Dyna beth o'n i'n poeni am. Okay, how was your day?
How's your day?
Oh, diolch.
Mae Thyrd
the
Naxel yn dilyn.
Naxel.
Angen yfed, Morgan.
Oh, right.
Hydrate.
Hi, Susan, what?
Cadw eich
Tiny,
dŵr.
tiny bit.
Croeso i'r
Yeah.
stream, Violet.
What, maybe? I don't, what?
hefyd.
We have the traffic cam footage at the precinct. Can you come in?
Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there.
So ydy'r y dau detectives yn...
Yeah. Get out!
Hwna'n just yn diddorol. Maen nhw'n byw gyda'i gilydd. Fi'n siŵr mae disclaimer chi gorfod dweud hwnna mewn unrhyw cwmni. Okay, Susan nawr.
Yeah, go to Susan. Earl up.
I rei ar y documents.
Let's just leave this
Sick.
mess here and check the footage.
Dwi'm yn dall vibes ein, efo'i gilydd.
Na.
Best
Mae'r holster
pŵar.
yna yn rhy slack. Sorry.
Okay, play
Ni'n
hwnna.
gwylio hwn.
Beth
Okay,
ydy'r camera hyn?
Mae'r footage yn ofnadwy.
Pam sy'n CCTV o hwnna? Let's meet type. Fideo, dio?
She looks scared.
Looks
Okay,
scared.
this is the car.
Oh my god.
I will
Oh.
run the license plate.
Run the license plate.
Well,
Ti'n
got
gweld
yes.
Ti'n gweld fel y dywediadau cliché mwyaf? Nhw just wedi jam nhw gyd mewn i'r sioe.
Enhance.
Oh gosh. Try to identify the victim, okay. Right.
Oh,
Dyma ni,
God.
dyma
my
ni.
God,
bobl.
Ah, Christ.
Okay.
Kendall.
Kendall?
Oh, wait, mae'n mwy tudalen.
Byddai'n gwybod bod sydd wedi cael ei lladd o'n dan?
Missing persons.
Mae hi'n blond. Ar
Okay.
y fideo, yw hi?
Okay. Rwy'n ni trio
Ar un
ffeindio rhywun.
blond yw hi.
Ond
Ydyn ni'n
ni
gwybod
ddim yn
pwy
gallu
yw'r
clicio,
person?
ni ddim yn gallu clicio, dyna sy'n ffynnu. Fi'n
Oh.
clicio nhw gyd, a so nhw'n gweithio. Okay, so nawn ni mynd mas o hwnna. 911 calls.
Oh.
Oh, ni'n gallu gwasi play, okay.
Ah?
Ddim yn clear iawn.
Lot o gem a ddim yn glir iawn.
Na, di iawn.
Branch 1 CNO ER, shortness of breath, request a code 2.
Fi just cael 98 notifications.
Hey,
Unreal.
gawn ni just un stop da.
Yeah.
Be sy'n digwydd?
Fi ddim yn gwybod. Dwi ddim wedi bod yn clear iawn. Fi heb
Na,
skipo unrhyw cutscenes, honest.
Alla ni dechrau murder sy'n, ddim yn gwybod pwy sy'n cael murder.
Na.
Hit yr enw ddo, murder o ddo, be oedd o?
Hit and run.
Oedd e ddim yn
It's
clear
run.
iawn, ddo, oedd e?
Yeah.
A dy person, driw i ffwr.
Ddim
Efo-
siŵr pwy hyn. Oherwydd ddim cael, I guess, ddim cael ID neu rhywbeth.
Na.
So,
Ie.
Ond nawn ni
A rwy'n
gwrando ar
just-
rhain i just clywed os ni'n gallu matcho fel lan. Dim ond 4 sydd, so nawn ni gwrando eto.
Yeah.
Please help me. I'm scared. Someone
Okay.
is following me.
Ooh.
I'm Diane. Oh Jesus, I have to go
Wait,
now.
wait,
I'm sorry.
slow down, wait.
Diane.
Diane, mae rhywun yn dilyn
LED.
Diane, ie?
Okay.
Yeah. Pai poen i fel byn i chwarae Fortnite yn soon.
Chwarae ffordd eto, please.
Byn i cael y wins.
What's that? What's the emergency?
Victory Royale.
Hi,
Hwnna,
I'm at the corner of Pleasant Hill and John Young Parkway. I'm in a Walgreens parking lot, and my car will not start. I'm locked inside my car. I
Oh,
cannot
that's
open my
awesome.
car. I can't get the windows down. Nothing electrical works. And it's getting very hot in here, and I'm not feeling well.
I ddim yn hi.
I need some help.
Are
you able to pull the lockup on the door and open the door?
Yeah.
You should be able to just pull the lockup even if it's electrical.
Ti'n gweld?
I've tried.
Oh,
There's the
yeah.
Apple logo
Okay,
gonna
okay.
appear.
All right, I got that going. Okay. So are you able to get out of the car now? Yes, I got the door open. Okay.
Okay.
All righty. I'll see if I can get AAA or something.
Okay,
thank you. Okay, I'm sorry. That's okay. All righty. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, dyna...
So Diane.
Ma' nhw
Enw
bach-
oedd
Okay,
y
Diane.
person yn Diane.
Road cam, ni wedi gweld hwnna, dyn ni?
Yeah.
Yn checko'r donut, na ni methu clicio rhain
Ond
o'r gwaelod.
pam da ni'n checio'r fan ma?
Osgi missing persons?
Okay. Diane,
Mae...
oedd na Diane?
Yeah, page cyntaf, oedd e? Oh no, Kendall.
Be di'r gem yma?
Oh. Okay. Road cam, eto. Na ni just edrych eto, ie?
Oh god.
So, ni'n gallu gweld...
Pam mae'n y CCTV camera?
Mae'n ofnadwy, ie. Road cam.
Road.
Oh, Okay, mae hi'n
Oce,
edrych
mae
fel...
hi'n
O na, hi ddim i wneud...
Iawn, hi di, ie.
Ddim
Fi a zoom
blond o
mewn.
gwbl.
Nid
Ocê.
fi sy'n neud hynna, mae jyst wedi automatically neud e.
Hi sydd wedi cael ei lladd, ie?
Ie.
Neu hwn i'r fan. Oce, iawn, mae fan yn sens.
A dyna'r fan.
Dyna'r fan.
A oedd hi'n dweud, we'll run the plates, achos dyna be mae'n
Run the
gyd yn dweud.
plates.
Run the plates.
Yep.
So surely fi'n gallu mynd off hwn nawr, a ffeindio gwybodaeth am pobl eraill. So good. Skippity skip. Right.
Skippity skip.
Ddim skippity skip, skippity skip.
Top there, ie?
Peidiwch a cael... No, fada. Na, paid.
Time to identify the victim.
Oh, paid dweud mae'n loop unless... Nah,
Ti'n-
get out of it. Ni ddim...
Yndi.
Oh, okay, there you go. There you go. Ni'n gallu mynd mas o fan hyn.
Pretty creepy ass
Ooh.
evidence look.
Yeah.
Ond bob dim
No,
mae'n wag.
mae jyst yn shelf. Mae'n shelf pren. Dwi ddim yn edrych yn official iawn yn
Yn
dweud.
neud y gêm yma. A sydd lle byth chwarae games nhw. New idea games.
Oedd hwn yn fel 87 ceiniog, so... nawn ni jyst
169.
trio fe, ie. Try down it.
Wel, beth oedd y pwynt o hwnna? Mae'n mynd o ar y laptop.
Ie, mae'n kind of... Teimlo fel mae'n gyrfodi ni mynd nôl ar y laptop.
Oce, so dyna'r laptop.
Diolch.
Like,
Mae Violet 1470
mail.
yn dilyn.
Okay.
Ti'n byth yna.
Na fi.
Does i'r missing persons?
Ie.
oes na Diana yn hyn?
Ie, neis y Kendall. Clic ar y Kendall na.
Ni'n clicio popeth, mae ddim yn...
Clic ar bob un.
Ie, ie. Mae'n teimlo fel...
Diane Workoff.
O! Dyna hi, ond ti'n methu clicio arna hi, anyway. So, ma' hwnna'n wastraff amser. Oce, oes na
Clic
rhywbeth
ar
yn
beth
hyn?
mae'r gwylod na.
O, NCI... O, ni lli roi i mewn. Diane, beth oedd e? Work off.
Sto Diane. Enter.
O ie,
Diane.
faint o Diane sy'n ar y database?
Dwi'n dychmygu'r gêm ma'n
Alright, okay, fine. Seriously?
Hyn yn amazing.
No results, does dim un o'i Diane. Falle mae rai roi caps. Diane. Oes na un yn Diane, fi ddim yn siŵr.
Mynd nôl i missing persons. Is it Diane Workoff?
Oh!
Oh,
Diane. Classic. Diane Emrys.
Restraining order against Mayor MacArthur.
Well done, victim
What the hell?
identified.
Ie, dwi'n siŵr beth o'n.
Na, nes i... Bim, nath i just...
Fucking hell. Checkpoint!
Checkpoint?
Be dyn ni wedi promi fan o'n?
Bod ni'n gallu darllen Diane.
Beth mae'n parking job yna? Oh.
O, hwnna'n... O, dyna'r blimin crime.
Hwnna'n
Parcio fel
European
na.
car. Hwnna'n European. Ond nhw'n siarad am Walgreens a felly gyna. American.
Yeah, maen
Yeah,
nhw'n
I'm
neud
American.
hwnna, dyn nhw. Okay, check the car.
Cath o car fel la?
Yeah, mae'r parcio yn ofnadwy. Dyna yw true crime gyda. Parcio. Okay.
Oh.
Rwy'n i...
Yn fe'n cael like superpower, but then just like gweld flashback.
Evidence. Be mae'r evidence yn profi?
Alright.
Rhywun wedi...
Swn nhw'n clir iawn, swn nhw'n clir iawn.
Torrio car?
Yeah, mae'n edrych fel break... Like
Ydy hwn?
liner run.
Hey, please, stay where you are.
Hey, step right there!
Open the door!
O, hwn yw'r vibes o'n i'n edrych am, oedd e, mewn
It's-
FMV game.
Ie, nath o ddynas yn neud y byd wrong.
Na, oedd hi just yn...
Byw na?
Yeah,
Hey,
civilian.
behind the door! Come out with your hands so we can see them!
Oedd hi'n edrych mor non-threatening, ond eto ni ar ôl hi. No.
Slowly!
Make the fat
Show
lady
her,
say.
sorry.
Show your face.
So sorry. Don't move, stay there.
Rwy'n stance fe for gun then?
Pam ma'n nhw'n sbitio hwn i ni?
Fi ddim yn gwybod.
Ydy gweld sort of yn dal o gun? Os yn safe i hwnna, mae'r wrist fe jyst mynd i torri.
Yeah. Mewn pethau go iawn, nhw'n neud hwnna, lle nhw'n cael y wrist arall, a lino arno fe. Fel...
Yeah.
I was just checking on Diane. She didn't return my calls and I was worried.
And you are?
Kate. friends. We know each other from uni.
Camera angles hitting awful.
Oh, wow.
I'm on mic quality.
Ti'n gwybod pam maen nhw'n neud fel... Look for hidden objects, gael lim! Clustog. Gallwn nhw wedi defnyddio'r clustog yna am rhywbeth. Cysgu, probably.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Fideo.
dyma ni.
Yna drugs tu ôl y cliff.
Arian? Arian? Na.
Neu,
Llun.
ocê.
Rhywun wedi torri fyny gyda cariad a wedi ripo fel an.
Neu ydy'r menu tew yn jealous.
O, falle, cyn vegan. Y lamp? Na. O, mae jyst yn scrollo. So, os ti ddim yn clicio fe am digon cyflym, ti ddim yn mynd i gwybod beth oedd wedi digwydd. Oh. Statements fyna. Come on.
HDTV.
Yes. Evidence point. Pedro mwy i gael y case.
Big fan.
Oh, rwy'n fi'n cael restraining order o'r mayor.
Also quite
Oh
fond
dear,
of the mayor.
seriously.
Leave her out of this.
Ydy yn rhywbeth dylai
Wife
ti bod yn
is
trafod
Focus on the
ar
case.
stream o wain. Fi'n gwybod ni methu gweld gwyneb ti, but... Oh, okay. Oh, beth oedd hwnna? Na, dim byd. Mae'n ffynnu, os ti ddim yn clicio fe, bydd e'n just yn gadael ti... Oh!
Hwna beth ti'n edrych ar just
Ti'n mynd
now.
y sgrin?
O, hi!
Sian byd.
O, beth oedd hwnna? O, fi di ffeindio rhywbeth.
Mae hyn yn more disorientating.
Mae hyn yn
Y camera cuts in.
craps yn ei gael efo.
Emrys!
Mae'n
Ni di ffeindio
effernol.
rhywbeth, come on. Lunch with the mayor.
Da ni'n 4 cliw, a so da ni'n gwybod pwy ffwc di'r dynas?
Na, ni ddim.
Lucy hi.
Remote solve the case, mae'n dweud.
Oh. Why were you worried? What do you study,
Yeah.
guys? Pop, babe.
Why are you worried? Why are you worried?
Okay.
Why were you worried?
She got involved in something and acted very strange for like the last 2 weeks.
After she met with the mayor.
You mean after they met for the last time? She was crazy about him. They had some weird romance. I told her to stop it. That guy is a douchebag.
Oh.
What do you mean?
They just didn't
Douchebag.
fit together.
You said that she was acting strange. What did you mean by that?
First she was depressed. Then she became paranoid. She thought she was followed by some shady people.
Dwi'n
Her
sain
phone
o'ch
was
ni
bugged.
stupid a dim chdi.
Weird things like that. But
Huh?
Sain iawn i chdi yndi?
Yeah.
O, dy ddim i ni. Okay, why did you search her place?
Why did you search her place?
Na, mae'r sign ddim yn
what?
gret
No,
though,
no.
o ran
No,
safon
I
y
didn't.
site.
O na, mae'n
It was like this when I got here.
Oh, okay, fine.
I swear. But tell me what's going on. Why are you here? Is Diane okay?
Nah.
I'm sorry to break it to you, but Diane was involved in a car accident. A hit and
Beth
run.
galw fe accident? Ti'n meth proof o hwnna eto?
Ie, a hefyd, dwi'n
Incident.
gael o'n accident, os da chi'n detectives yn liters be fewn efo.
Yeah.
What? Did this can't be for
Dysgu nhw,
real?
Hot Fuzz.
Are you
Rhywbeth wedi
sure
gweld
it
Hot
was
Fuzz?
her?
Yeah.
Diane.
Yes. I'm sorry.
No.
Diane couldn't get hurt from cars. She loved cars.
She's indestructible.
Hydrate, Morgan. Hydrate.
Oh, sorry.
Hydrate.
Yes?
Oh, dyma ni.
Uh-huh. Great. Okay. Gotcha.
Gotcha, mae'n dweud hwnna. I think, great.
We identified the car based on the traffic cam. It was reported stolen.
Of course.
Ooh.
Of course.
We need you to come with us to the precinct to fire your statement.
To fire your statement.
To file, fi'n credu.
File, yn sgwini fire, dydy.
O dde?
Aye.
Falle.
Hi, honey. Honey.
Oh, ti'n cael double hydrate.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Fuck you! Ie, allol! Mae'n allol ffair yna! Chi'n lo, ma... Ie!
Dyle fe bod yn... Sut mae di pasio'r Police Academy yn gyrru fel na?
Oh god, so
Hydrate, Morgan. Ti'n cael double hydrate.
Ydyn ni?
Roedd ddim eisiau Rwy ddim eisiau refund o'r hydrate.
No.
Cael o dŵr
Gosh,
fan'na.
ti'n credu, yeah, it's like bottomless diod neu fe.
Mae dim ond like 100 points i gwneud hydrate.
That's fine. Roi yn ôl i nhw nawr. Fi eisiau
Mae gen i...
hwn.
Mae gen i 36.3 thousand.
Oh, wow. OK. Amser clicio nawr. Ni wedi cael digon o just gwrando.
Do?
OK.
Yn nhw'n center.
Ooh.
Mae'r shot yn really agos fan'na. OK. Mae'n yfed hefyd. So, rhaid bod yn...
Alcoholic.
Well, deduction skills, fi ddim yn siŵr.
Hey, Susan, did you see the email that I just forwarded you?
Wait, let me check.
Hefyd, pan mae'n siŵr nath mi yn ystafell.
Wait, I know her.
Fi'n credu bydde fe'n well os byd nhw just yn
Yeah.
neud yn iaith.
Who is it?
Just rhoi i steitlau yn Saesneg.
We have been dealing with her.
Cos weithiau be maen nhw'n dweud ar
Known as long-legged
text
Lucy.
ddim
Do you know where we can find her?
Lucy? Lle mae Lucy wedi dod o?
Her address somewhere.
Mae'n y llun.
I will send it to you and see you there.
Alright, see you.
Right, checkpoint arall.
Dwi yma.
Oh.
Apartment number 9. I'm going in. Stay calm and keep here so I can see them.
We're here to execute a search warrant. We're looking for Lucy Lavelle.
Rwy heb identify hi'n fel
Oh,
Evelyn.
no.
O, dio.
Oh, I just got a holl llyfrau.
Lot o llyfr yna i
Yeah.
prostitute.
Sut ydyn ni'n meddwl, just o be mae'n... Oh.
O.
Rip rw.
Oh, yeah, wedi... Mae'n edrych yn eitha... Yeah, wedi marw.
Diolch, Morgan.
Who is she?
Yeah.
Lucy?
Probably.
Okay.
It's too
Rwy'n
bad.
hi'n identify hi o'r llun, a nawr hi'n dweud, pwy di?
Wounds
Just
around
yn
the
dweud,
neck.
dyw hwn ddim yn
Evidence of
silent
struggle.
witness. Just yn...
This fucking cat!
Oh.
You all good?
Yeah, I just hate this cat. I mean,
I
all
hate
cats.
this
I hate
cat,
all
sut mae'n
cats.
gwybod? Okay,
Great.
all cats.
All cats.
Mae di cywiro hi.
Looks like our only lead is dead.
Yeah, but at least we got a homicide.
Ma hwnna'n sick! Mae Gwenny'n dweud, at least we got a homicide, lucky
Hell
us,
yeah.
fel. Beth?
Mae'r tawn hyn yn boring.
Yeah.
Gwch yn pull...
O ie, fi'n trio,
Gola.
fi'n trio.
Gola.
Fi'n trio. Ie, mae ddim yn rhoi fi'r opsiwn i clicio unrhyw golau. Fi'n clicio.
Ac e pan dyn nhw ddim yn golan.
Ie.
Edrych am y ffôn sy'n blymyn canu.
Ie, just mynd tuag at y golau, surely.
Oh god, mae'n gwneud y couch thing eto.
O na, ydy just yn mynd i cadw mynd.
Pai gwasgu
Tapio?
couch eto, please.
Oce, byddai ddim. Okay. Fi gallu gweld beth ti'n dweud nawr. Oce, so ddim fyna. Nawn ni clicio ochr yma nawr. You dig cyffwrdd o'r couch
Where's
yna.
that coming from?
Oh, here we
no
go.
idea.
Mae fi eich bloody clustau.
Oh, for God's sake, ble...
What?
Paid dweud bod e'n loop. O, dyma ni o'r cwbwrdd. Wedi ffeindio fe. Come on, agor.
Sounds like it's coming from in here.
Ah, yn y cot.
It's louder.
It's louder. Wow.
Wow.
Sounds
Pan
like it's
dwi'n
coming
golan
from
yn y ffocin stafell ma.
O, maen nhw'n mynd i Narnia.
Oh, gobeithio. Oh.
Hell yeah, Narnia.
Oh. Oh na. Oh, rhywun arall
Oh my
di lot o cyffuriau yn y gêm na. Wow.
O, ie?
Bel yn
Oh
mynd i
no!
Drop the weapon!
Sut o.
Just clicio.
Get him!
Just keep
Put the
moving.
gun down or there'll be trouble!
Beth sy'n digwydd?
Mae mor dawel yn dweud.
Yeah.
Okay.
O'n i literally, dwi wedi stopio chwarae that Game of the Year game.
I
I
gwylio
watcha
hon.
fucking... Bynnag di hwn. Mae'n bidio.
Ble mae wedi mynd?
E gwyn hi, dwi'n ie?
Oh, okay. O, mae e'n neud y techneg na.
Dal! Mae o, techneg fi, rhaid agos i chest.
O, na, ond mae fe'n neud y thing yna gyda un llaw.
Os mae'n seithio na, hwnna'n mynd i recoil mewn i train fe.
Ie. Dyle fe ddim edrych.
Left. Left i Lucy, right i
O,
tight.
nawr mae'n golau?
Mae'n golau anyway.
O, oce. O, achos oedd e'n dywyll, ie.
Ddim eisiau pobl edrych mewn i'r drugden.
Right tro mae yn, achos oedd left yn di neud.
Pa mae'n option yn left fan'na ie?
A, fi'n gwybod.
Jyst i gwastraffu amser.
Bwrw.
O hyn, ie.
Just llafau, please. Just llafau detective. Mae'n detective wild.
Fucking drunk yma. Shit. Dwi'n gyd.
O, beth di un o Sonic efo'r mustache?
Oh, nice. Like he just safe.
What's wrong with you? Don't fucking kill our only lead.
Oh, just Team Arrow then.
But we need him alive.
Oh my god, beth sy'n
Cuff
bod
him
ar boi?
and call back up.
Beth oedd fy...
Shot i'r pen.
Beth? Oedd e just yn mynd i...
Shot i'r pen, do.
Mae cael metal cream.
Och, gol on, for fuck's sakes. Seriously.
Mae'r boi yn
Yeah, fucking 15 minutes, man.
moron.
Okay. Check the
Hint,
tapes.
try to find the tapes.
Okay. Try to find...
Oh.
Oh, ni angen ffeindio'r tapes gynta, okay. Mae mor dywyll.
O, yn y tywyllwch ma.
Ie, pa jyst
Yn
cael golau
insane.
ymlaen, dwi ddim yn neud synwyr. Fi credu maen nhw'n trio neud yn eerie trwy y tywyllwch, ond mae just yn silly. Achos pam bydde ti'n neud hwnna?
O, mae'n tape hwnna. Right, ble mae ti'n
Ie,
cael ei...
fi'n gallu gweld, fi'n gallu gweld.
Hey.
Dwi ddim... Okay, nawr ni'n gallu rhoi e yn fanna. Surely.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
The camera.
Is that what I think it is?
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh, byd nhw
You know Stephen MacArthur?
Film ar hyn.
Yeah.
Father of three, husband of a Heddiw I.
Oh.
Yeah, well, he looks pretty happy, too.
Hey.
Oh, no, okay. Ni ddim...
Hey.
Hey, okay.
Oh, yeah. Very much so.
Okay.
I guess they blackmailed the mayor.
Ah.
But then Lucy and the pimp disagreed on sharing the money.
Lucy and the
Probably.
Wow.
But something's off. Still not enough motivation to kill your bread and butter.
Everybody has their price.
Oh, hwnna'n classic line. Everybody has their price.
Everybody has their price.
Amlwg, dim bulb, ia.
Na.
Oh, golau nawr, ni gyda golau.
So mae blackmail o mayor. Cael arian. Llaf y top girl there. A wedyn just shoot a lan. Pwy.
He goes by the name Jimmy the Pimp.
Jimmy the
Alright,
pimp.
well, let's see what he has to say.
Okay.
Y pimp ddim yn drygu na sa.
Jimmy G.
Oh, a gunshot wound.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Didn't
Tom Pest.
I need a lawyer.
Yeah, fi'n credu.
I need a lawyer.
Found the camera. Who killed Lucy then? Be ni'n mynd am?
Yeah, we found the camera.
Alright.
We found the camera and we saw the tapes.
No man, and then we record most of our clients. Can be handy if you know what I mean.
Blackmailing is a felony.
Oh, fuck. Yes. Yes. It was him. This politician killed her.
Politician?
Damn,
We
didn't know
also
that.
saw your bank accounts and you have a little bit too much money for a pimp.
Oh.
So ti'n gwybod y person pimp?
Falle mynd i roi e mewn stocks and shares. Ti'n mynd i dweud hwnna?
Did Ray blackmail money just mewn
Wanted
i'r
to get
current
the fuck
account?
out of the country.
Yeah.
I even bought the plane tickets.
Fe broi mewn
Let me
box
show
yn y
you.
gar, ti'n meddwl, Owain? Mae'n
It's
lot fwy...
offshore.
Check my phone.
Oh, right.
Mae'n offshore account.
Okay.
It
Fe dyna
just
ble mae
Santander.
ti'n mynd, Owain. Offshore account.
I told you.
That's good.
Dim
mae'n
tax
good.
wedyn.
Yeah, dim tax.
Of course.
Sy'n o, hi gallu di ffôn o heb pin.
Na, dwi ddim yn neud sy'n.
Where is it?
A boi hyn ddim yn...
Need a doctor.
Doctor?
Are you kidding me? You won't get a doctor here. Oh my god.
I need my stuff, man. I need my pills.
Pills? You won't get any pills in here, you fucking junkie. Are you kidding me?
Relax. He's going through withdrawal.
Why are you defending him?
I'm not defending him.
Yes, you are. Junkies like this destroy your life.
Mine.
Yes. You of all people must know that.
I need dust.
Listen.
Nah.
Don't be doing it,
Think about your wife.
Think about your wife. What's my name? My name Little
Junkies
Mini
like
Drama.
this.
That's why.
How many can break them there?
Why funny we're gonna?
Oh my god, my script am a mor gwael. What? Open the door, detective, open the door. Bless you, bored, guys. Oh, seriously?
Detective, oh my god, are you okay? What happened?
He's dead.
Basically, digwydd.
Okay, you need to get up. You have to go home and get some rest. I'll take care of everything. We'll just tell them that it was self-defense and
Fuck's the man?
I said my
Come on,
idiot,
I
my
will-
very
I
tricky
will
fel, my
get you
very
home.
cymryd rhywbeth.
Wel, roedd hi'n... What? So, if e'n ffeinto, roedd hi'n just gadael fe mewn yr ystafell wedi ffeinto?
Ond o'r camera na ddo?
Ie, o'n nhw'n recordio popeth. Sut mae hwnna'n...
A na, that was self-defense.
What?
Beth sy'n digwydd, man?
Be... Pam mae fe'n cysgu nawr? Na, dwi ddim yn cysgu. Okay. Just... I don't know, wait, if you want to know more about the hidden run, come to the abandoned brickyard. Mae hwn yn troi mewn I Scooby bloody doo.
Faint a fucking band briciad syna.
Dim ond un.
Beth yn y byd yw'r game o?
Ie.
A fi'n gallu cael gambaith. Interactive.
I'm a car minging.
Gosh. Ni ddim quite yn siŵr beth digwyddodd yn yr ystafell yma.
Roedd fe'n cael delusional breakdown.
Kevin ar agor?
Ie. Mae'n
boeth. Mae'n boeth. Mae'n boeth.
Ond eto, ti angen bod yn eitha ddewr I dwy'n car. Ond mae ddim yn edrych fel unmarked car fe, so... Ie, mae hwnna'n eitha silly.
A mae'n hefyd rwnd efo'r blymyn gun straps sy'n heb like vest neu rhywbeth.
A dwi ddim di wneud nhw lan. Edrych faint mor slack yw hwnna. Rai bod hwnna'n erbyn y rheolau. Mae ddim yn Wild West. Fi ddim yn deall...
Oh, here we go.
Okay, just got to teimlo fi angen clicio yn gyflym fan hyn.
Oh, mae'n y fan!
O, y fan naeth marw... Diane, mae... Get in.
Na!
Safe i'r fan. Get in!
Pam! It's for the cops, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Na, cer mewn I fe. Cyffwr fe efo'r bare hands ti, so ti'n cael fingerprints arno fe a rhywun o'r...
O, na, sleeve.
Oh,
Sleeve,
okay.
techneg a sleeve. Sleeve. Pawb yn gwybod.
Ond os rhaid unrhyw fingerprints ar y handle hwnna, ti di smudge nhw.
Oh, yeah.
O, ie, eistedd fewn o fe, de.
Ie, eistedd fewn. Ti'n mynd I smudge'r fingerprints o'r steering wheel. Da iawn.
Check the back seat. Okay. Classic glove box.
Mae'n dod o. Mae cyffwrdd popeth efo'r fingers fe eto.
Oh, na, mae gyda'r sleeve. Uh-oh. Okay, mas now.
Detective.
Susan?
Well, I'm very disappointed, but you know we have to take you in. But please, don't struggle.
What? Mae hi'n double
You need a
agent.
firearm. Now.
Oh, sneaky. Oh.
You worked really hard for this,
Well,
and I almost fell for it.
What do you mean?
Oedd hi'n gweithio i'r heddlu, oedd hi?
You sent the message, and you parked the car here. Otherwise, how would you know where to find me?
Are you insane? We simply followed you.
Mae'n dweud stupid fan'na, by the way. So, yeah. Okay, your wire clip.
I found your wire clippers in the trunk.
Na, ddo.
Did you prove it? Of course not. Just give up.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, good point.
What?
You killed the pimp? You had Diane's card. Bin ni'n mynd am?
You...
You killed the pimp,
Killed the
you
pimp.
had Diane's... Kill the pimp.
Sure, of course, Susan. And you killed that pimp.
Please. And you call yourself a detective? Idiot. You can't prove any of this.
You had the tape, scratches on your arm. Bin ni'n mynd am?
Ha scratches?
You had the tape.
And you already had the tape.
Oh, please. And you call yourself a detective? Idiot. You can't prove any of this.
He
Yeah,
picked up Lucy,
Yeah,
drove her around, and then sent me those pictures.
Do you even hear yourself? You're sick, my friend. Never managed to get over your wife.
Leave my wife out of this.
Don't tell me that again. You're losing it right now. Every single time I bring that fucking dead bitch up, you just can't handle it. You faint, you fall on the ground, and you don't remember anything.
Susan, stop it. Stop it.
You know it's coming. The next flick.
Stop
it.
Lying on the bed, covered with blood. Anything. Hello?
Mae dal yn drug neu rhywbeth.
She can't be.
Neu fe just flashbacks.
Oh, you know it.
Pryd bynnag mae'n
You know
meddwl
it.
am y wife.
But you're fucking
Mae'n
weak
just
to admit it.
unconscious.
She is dead, my friend. Face it!
No.
Oh yes, she's dead. Dyna yn edrych fel. Oh no, fath o ddim.
Detective.
Be fuck the game a?
No, stop it. No.
No, stop.
Mae hi di double teamio ni.
Stop. Yeah, wrth gwrs mae wedi. Stop.
Ie, pam?
Sir. Sir. It's time to go inside. You need to take your medicine.
Shutter Island ydi hwn.
Shutter Island, fi'n credu.
Ie, mae'n mental
Oh my god, na! Ti'n iawn, Emrys. Oh, Emrys, you called it. Cyn pawb arall. No. Shutter Island yw e. Oh, sut ydyn nhw wedi dwpio ni fanna?
Cos o'n dim yn y sens.
No! To be continued? Deluded? What?
No!
Oh my god, fi eisiau 75 ceiniog fi nôl am hwnna. Gee whiz.
45 minutes o hwnna.
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Beth yn y byd?
Wel, di'r peth gweithio yn chwarae roed i stream ydyn nhw.
Yep.
Does dim Deluded 2 ar Steam?
Oh man.
Ble mae Deluded 2?
Evidence point. Alternate ending. Mad world. I'm going to please rate the game.
O, hwyl gallu ni ddim digon o...
So mae'n mwy na un edyn.
So os o'n i wedi clicio mwy o evidence points, wyt ti'n dweud falle bydde fe wedi
Ond nes ti literally clicio bod dim...
Ie, o'n i'n smasho'r clicio, ond ar y cychwyn o'n i ddim mor cyflym, ond... Ydyn ni'n... Sa'n gwybod os... Ydyn ni'n gallu rhoi ar gyfle i'r gêm yma? I gael ending gwahanol. Mae dal gyda ni awr hawdd i...
Ti efo'r... Dos i Steam, de?
Ie.
Dos i'r library chdi, de?
Ie.
Dos i'r gêm, de?
Ie.
A dos i'r community hub. Neu guides. Dos i guides, de? Os mae rhywun wedi creu guide i hwn.
Right, fi'n rannu hwn ar y thing nawr. Okay, so...
Dwi'n gwybod rhai weld o. Rhai weld o heb prynu fo.
Right, mae'n dweud... Mae reviews fan hyn. Ble ti'n gweld y community guides? So ti'n dweud mynd i'r gêm.
Na, ci. Yn Steam.
O ia. Fi yn Steam, ia.
Dos i Steam.
Steam Store, ia. Community Hub?
Community Hub, neu some guides yna.
Fi ddim gallu gweld guides.
Mynd i'r gêm ar eich library.
Fe?
O, dwi'n gallu gweld stwff yma.
Mynd ar y gêm ar eich library.
Mae'n un yn German a mae'n un yn iaith dwi'n gwybod.
O, guides, fi gallu gweld e.
Oes, ond diolch yn iaith.
O, na, ti'n iawn. Okay. Ond fi yn siarad Sbaeneg, so hon ddim, mae'n Portuguese. So fe ddim yn deall hynna. Ond...
Os na i agor o yn... Chrome.
O, edrych, mae'n dangos ti cam wrth gam. Beth yw'r pethau? O, waw.
Mae gen i yma, dwi wedi translate fo. Yn Chrome.
Oce. A ni'n mynd i cael un go arall arno fe then?
Ie.
Come on, Ed. Mwy full chance, achos you know, falle fi oedd e. Falle fi oedd e. You know?
Dwi'n meddwl.
Na, fi ddim yn credu hefyd. O, mae camera fi di... Oh, bloody hell. Camera fi di... Ycha fi. Wedi... freeze am rhyw reswm, fi ddim yn gwybod pam. So... Just go i check. Okay.
Dwi'n fod yn chwarae metaphor trwy weekend yma.
Right.
A hwnna fatha, game of the year. Oce, iawn.
Ni ddim eisiau colli unrhyw vital plot points. Okay? Ni
Okay,
ddim
scene
eisiau
incident.
Shutter Island. Ni ddim eisiau Shutter Island. Dwi'n mynd i clicio'r crap mas o fe yn y bit cynta. So, obviously ddim.
Checking the victim's bag.
Okay.
Detective, hey!
Right.
Are you okay?
Dwi'n meddwl... I don't know.
Yeah,
just faint again.
You should
tell me.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you need some rest?
Rest? Nah. Double agent. I need rest and let's work. Chwyth, that's in dweud.
Nah, let's work.
Let's work.
Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
I'm glad you're feeling better.
Escape to pause. No.
Nah.
Eisiau pause o.
Dwi'n mae boi'n gwisgo hazmat suits.
What have we got?
Dwi'n contaminator gwisgo sgidio ddo.
It's a classic hit and run, but no ID.
Okay.
I'm so excited to be back on field again.
Okay.
Show some respect, fed up with chasing lost cats.
Yeah, fed up chasing lost cats.
Fed up with chasing lost cats?
Cats. No, I'm just bored. Aren't you?
No, I'm never bored.
You look bored.
Okay, let's check the evidence.
A bag.
Oh, flip on you!
No!
Okay, it's okay.
Check the bag.
Check the bag.
I would then choose worried about apartment keys. Okay.
Why was she walking when she had a car?
I'm more concerned about her apartment keys.
What do you mean?
She has her car keys, but no keys for her apartment. It's odd.
Yes, come on.
That's an interesting detail.
Okay.
Check
Checking the third... Evidence 2.
Yeah.
Third clue. Yeah, third clue. Yeah,
Okay.
after checking the third clue,
Doesn't tell you that.
You stop.
choose the side on an image.
Yeah, mae'n dangos yr image, yeah.
Yeah. Dyna eisiau ffeindio hwnna.
Wel, fi yn clicio.
Yeah, ti'n mynd i gyrra fewn i...
Oh, okay, fine.
I fewn, oedd ti'n dwytha, ie?
Dal yn cutscene.
Yeah.
Mae di cicio fe, okay. So, all right,
Yeah.
i ffeindio fe, yn y swoop,
Oes.
fi angen ffeindio fe. I see.
I'r dde, ie, fewn i hwnna. Okay.
Look for hidden objects. Mae'r llawr rhywle fan hyn.
Yndi, mae'n cyrraedd am chydig o yma. Ar y dde, fyna. Cymryd. Ti'n gweld o fo?
Na, ddim eto. Hwna? Na, hwnna ddim fe. What the hell is it? Mi swoop around a bydd e fyna, fi'n credu. Achos tro cyntaf welis i fe, a nes i ddim clicio fe mewn amser.
Okay.
Ah, there you go. Yes!
Hey.
Come on! He's behind us now. Oh, pick it up, eh? Dyma ni.
Flint in the front, search for a rear mirror on the ground. The second
What's
piece
that?
of evidence will be completed.
The side mirror.
And we can be sure it's from the hit and run.
Oh,
It's got
seriously?
blood on it.
Mae hi just yn saboteur.
Maybe it's from a deer or something? Anyway, I'll send it to the lab.
Oh yeah,
Thanks, Susan.
whatever.
No
Hi,
worries.
grand are he?
But how did you find it?
I guess I was lucky.
Wow.
I think we're done here.
You do this. The next day, after Susan calls you to let you know that she already has the traffic camera footage from the accident. When you get there and sit at your desk and access the MacBook, act quickly.
Oh. Okay.
On the footage, click play and then drag the arrow to play the video before Susan does.
Oh.
This was a clue that I got stuck on it. I had help from Andrew. Okay.
Thank you, Andrew.
So we should drag you I hanner far.
Okay.
I could never understand that you could drive like that.
Like what?
Like a grandma hugging that steering wheel.
Oh, fuck off.
Fuck off.
Alright, Susan. Checkpoint.
Because of them and dangos a lead ball.
Yeah. How was your day? We have a new case.
Yeah.
We have a new case.
It's filler.
Greg, dwi'n ei fod?
Yeah, ond dyn ni ddim yn gweld a fi'n credu taw yr un actores sydd wedi wneud hwnna. Achos nhw ddim eisiau...
So then...
Hello?
Like mynd insane, dal gweld y Greg.
What?
Falle. Oh, yeah! Da iawn.
What? Maybe? I don't... What?
Achos mae di marw yn
We
dwi.
have the traffic cam footage at the precinct. Can you come in?
Yeah, I'll be there in a second.
Iawn, ti eisiau actio fast.
Fast ar y neu'r paybook.
Ie, paid o siarad o hi, ti'n mynd siarad o hi. Sydd i'r desk. Chdi.
Come on. Come on,
Ie, a wedyn ti eisiau agor y fideo.
Yeah.
Let's check the footage.
Dragio fo, play. Dragio fi canol.
Fi'n trio.
This
Fast
is the
forward.
time we're on the hit and run.
Fi'n trio, fi'n clicio fe.
She was scared.
Mae hwn yn just yn...
Running away from something.
Drag the arrow to play the video
It's
before
not rushed
Susan
to
does.
conclusions.
Dwi ddim yn clicio fe, though, surely.
Alright, let's see the car.
Oh, damn.
You should be done with
Yeah, but...
Fast forward. Dragio.
This is the car.
Most probably. Please run the license plate.
Hey, di ffeilio.
Nid i ffeilio?
O na, evidence point.
Thank God.
Efo, so illa fod hwnna iawn. Ond mae'n dweud fyna ti'n gorau cael o...
Tro diwetha if hi'n cymryd dros o fi.
Iawn, oce. Ti isio... What? Dwi'n ddim yn bod yna.
Cofio, ie.
Dwi'n ddim yn bod yna.
Just gwasgu search.
Ie, search. O, dwi'n ddim yn bod yna.
Na. What
Fi
the
instantly
hell, sut
cael
mae
e.
di cofio?
Oce, dwi'n mouse drosto fo. And wait for it. Ie, mouse drosto fo. Hover the mouse over the...
There you
Efo.
go.
Wait, this is Diane's place.
No, fourth evidence. O, hwnna'n glitch, o ie.
Yeah, glitch.
Iawn. For entering, check the victim's car.
Okay,
That's
yeah.
what they blaen.
Ni ar y trywydd cywir.
Hungry H, ie?
Yeah, fi'n credu bod e.
We are.
That's probably Diane's car.
Pam ti... What?
Ie, pam byd ti'n meddwl bod unrhyw car glas yn Dan's car?
Dwi'n byw ar street parking. A... Car i fi bod yn hwla, ie?
Yeah. Probably Diane's car. Ah, mae rhywun i tapro. Come on. Fi'n gwybod i'n
Go.
Let's go and check the place.
Alright.
Ges di evidence fyna?
Do.
Go. The part was after asking the victim's friend some questions, we'll have to search the scene for some evidence.
Yeah, mae'r scene yma,
Hey,
mae'n bloody
please! Stay where you are!
Hey, stop right there!
Fi'n gwybod
Open the door!
Then, dweud i fi Blake clicio. Cos, it's madness.
After asking the victim's friend, we'll have to search the scene for some evidence. The sixth piece of evidence is at the left of the sofa bed. Dim o sofa bed, to the left of the sofa bed.
Fine.
Hey, behind the door! Come out with your hands so we can see that!
Evidence within at your sofa bed.
Okay.
Slowly!
It's not a dim camera off.
Sorry.
To your face!
Don't move. Stay there.
Oh God.
She's clean.
Who are you? What are you doing?
Definitely job fan hyn.
I was-
You know,
I was just checking on Diane. She didn't return my calls and I was worried.
Dyw'r cystadleuaeth ddim
You
yn
are?
hugely
Kate, a
cystadleuol,
friend,
yeah.
you know each other from uni.
Like, so far, FMV, like, Wales Interactive, got right dweud bod nhw fel pen a sgwyddau gwell na rhain, efe?
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, quit.
Yeah, got him.
What at that?
Okay.
So dyna llyfr.
Llyfr, yeah.
Efo Lucy.
Lunch and mae'r, food truck. Dyna, hairdresser. Lucy.
Lucy, iawn. So rwan, ti eisiau sofa bed am?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I gael y bits o papur wedi, lluniau yna wedi rwygo.
Os ti wedi rhywgo'r papur at ddim eisiau nhw, pam sa'ch chi'n cyddan to pilwch dy wedyn?
Gwir. Unless oedd e literally a moment o'n nhw'n mynd mewn, ond ma'n syniad bach yn far-fetched.
Oedd the last evidence there, next to the television, y papur newydd na, ie?
Right. So ddim fan hyn, ochr yma.
Ie.
Got him.
So mae'n gadw chdi ddim ffeindio'r iddo? Dwi'n mynd dall yna.
Fi siŵr nes i gael lot o nhw, trwy diwetha, just 0 more to solve the case.
Big fan.
Okay, so rwan, da ni'n eisiau really poeni rwan ta da ni'n cwffio'r pimp a ffeindio'r tap.
Okay.
Focus on the case, will you?
So mae hi'n nervous nawr. So oes ots be ni'n gofyn hi nawr, te?
What do you study?
Oh, okay. Mae hwn just... Bydd e'n neis i trio pethau gwahanol then, just to gael... How did you get in? Why were you worried?
How did you get in here?
The door was open when I got here, and Diane's key was in the door. Why? What happened? Where's Diane?
First, answer the questions.
Why did you search her place?
Yeah.
What? No, I didn't. It was like this when I got here. I swear. But tell me what's going on. Why are you here? Is Diane okay?
I'm sorry to break it to you, but Diane was involved in a car accident. A hit and run. She died last night.
Oh, God.
No way. What? This can't be for real. Are you sure it was her? Diane?
Yes. I'm sorry.
No.
Oh, God.
No.
Wow.
Yes? Uh-huh.
Ydw i'n really ocho tan.
Great. Okay. Gotcha.
Um,
They identified the car based on the traffic cam. It was reported stolen.
Of course.
Dwi'n dal am dall pa mae hi yn
We need
evil.
you to come with us to the precinct to file your statement.
Byd yn esbonio
Rwy'n
hwnna.
meddwl if hi'n actually ever heddlu ar y diwedd, ond if hi'n just arrestio'r boy.
Oh, ydy cos ddim evidence ni'n na, ie?
Hi, honey.
Yeah. Neu rhywbeth.
Honey.
A ni'n eistedd yna.
Or if hi'n meddwl if ni'n just deluded.
Ran o fe.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Fuck you!
Gwyd y sy'n gorau i gyd.
Os mae'n heiddi fo?
Wel, nath e'n bron bwrw fe drosodd. So fe'n eitha brwyd.
A gyda ddim yn gwisgo seatbelt.
Ie. A ma fe'n...
A maen nhw eisiau botal gwyn arferol jyst i bloda fan'na.
Ie. Be fi ddim yn deall ddo yw sut o'n ni ddim wedi ffeindio...
Pa ddim wedi
O
cael
na,
ei
ni ddim wedi mynd i'r lle y pimp eto, ydyn ni?
Na.
Oce. Na. Fi'n neidio ymlaen yn meddwl bod ni fanna'n barod. Ni ddim. Oce, so mae...
Na, ma...
Hey.
Hey, Susan, did you see the email that I just forwarded you?
Wait, let me check.
Siwr mi yn y stafell.
Hi.
Hey.
Wait, I know her. And that's
Yeah, mae he's just in the stafell nesa.
Who is it?
Yeah, just literally steal the camera.
She's a prostitute known as Long
Do you know where we can find her?
Yeah, we have her address somewhere.
Yeah, maar nou...
Mijn Grease hebben we mee hier en daar.
Alright,
Yeah.
see you.
Wat staan in de?
Like cutaway shots and okay even in on
Dit is ook een team nodig, ja. Dit is ook een team nodig.
We did execute a search warrant. We're looking for Lucy Lavelle.
Ja, dat is maar helemaal.
Miss?
So, fel ti'n dweud, jyst dim ots, ni wedi cael digon o clues nawr. Be bynnag ni'n clicio, jyst bod ni ddim yn marw, dal ni bod yn oce, ie? Okay, ni methu clicio rhywbeth yn y cutscene, so...
She's dead.
Who is she? Lucy?
Probably.
It's too bad.
Wounds around the neck. Evidence of struggle.
This fucking cat!
Fucking cat!
You all good?
Yeah, I just hate this cat.
Oh, mae hi di slip o man fanna, achos oedd hi dweud, I hate this cat. So mae'n amlwg bod hi'n rhan o fe.
Yeah,
but... Efo'r mae'r, mae de?
Yeah, exactly.
Ie, ond dim hwn ac e.
Well, I don't know.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god.
Oh,
the hell is that? Beth yw hwnna?
Right, okay.
Yn y gem, yd?
Na, ddim ti'n rhoi rhywbeth ar Discord. Funny though.
Sounds like it's coming from in here.
Oh no, seriously though. Ni'n newid. Tombro a naws a wergil y scene yma.
Bantani!
Oh, now that's just it.
It's coming from the wall.
It's agor a bloody... It's agor y ffwrdd. Mae'n...
Ie, dwi'n fod sy'n dechrau gofio fewn efo this fucking cats, de.
Mae fe'n deffro nawr. Mae'n cael bach o trip yn barod i seithi a camlaen.
Let go! Drop the weapon!
Fuck you, you drop it!
Put the gun down or there'll be trouble!
This bitch really the trouble! If you don't put it down now!
Susan!
Susan!
Mae mor dawel.
Ie, yn...
Horrible. Okay, ni gallu gweld tipyn bach mwy fan hyn. Right, left.
A reit, oedd e.
Oh, right, oedd e. Mae'n rhoi ti'r cyfle anyway eto, so. Come on in. Now. Yeah.
Wel, sgoffa fi o mission, un o missions gynta, Cyberpunk.
Oh, okay.
Dwi'n mynd trwy junkie yma.
Oh!
Oh, yo.
Oh, you die. Defend! Oh, damn.
Oh,
sorry, he didn't do it. I'm dead.
damn.
Oh, no!
Oh, fuck off. Try again. Try again.
Try again. Thank God.
Oh, right. Oh my god.
Oh my god, thank God. But then
O'n i'n godli go hwn. Sydd i'n bwcyn gychwyn.
Na. Attack, sorry. Die!
Die. Now you stop.
Stop! What's wrong with you? Don't fucking kill our only lead!
He was gonna kill you.
A disgod.
But we need him alive.
Dim
Cuff him
attention.
and call back up.
Iawn, y tap, pan dyn ni sio.
Tap.
Head left. The tape.
Yeah. Oh, yes. So mae'n mynd I bod yn fuzzy, ni'n gwybod ni angen tab, so ni angen mynd fan hyn.
Okay,
Yeah, dyn ni.
Search.
Perffaith. Just more bloody dewell. Come on.
Dwi'n mynd direilio streamers rwy'n wedi bod yn gwachod yr games yn quick.
Okay. Wel, mae rhaid... Cant y canolbwyntio nawr, Emis. Ni eisiau cant hwn, ie?
What?
Mae'n ffynnu bod ni wedi cael digon o evidence i ennill yn barod.
Na, ddo.
Stephen MacArthur?
Na.
Oh, okay.
Mae 3 evidence, 4 evidence just in the carpet.
No way. Okay. So, okay.
Oh, yeah. Very much so. Oh, I guess they blackmailed the mayor, who paid them off. But then Lucy and the pimp disagreed on sharing the money.
Probably. But something's off. Still not enough motivation to kill your bread and butter.
Kill your bread and butter?
Everybody has their price.
Maybe so. Grab the pimp.
Yeah, mae'r soft lens stuff ar hwn yn neud yn... Like...
Hey! We have our guy in the interrogation room, and we also found a big transfer to his account. He goes by the name Jimmy the Pimp.
Good.
Oh, okay, Jimmy the Pimp.
Alright, well, let's see what he has to say.
Hwn oedd some weird lle da ni'n mynd yn fucked up.
Oh yeah, achos mae'n neud I ni teimlo fel ni di... Ie, mae hwn yn odd. Fi ddim yn gwybod os taw trauma neu rhywbeth.
I didn't do anything. I need a lawyer.
Found the camera, who killed Lucy then? What's hot?
We found the camera.
We found the camera and we saw the tapes.
Oh man, and then we got most of our clients. Can be handy if you know what I mean.
Blackmailing is a felony.
Oh, fuck. Yes, it was him. This politician killed her.
We also saw your bank accounts and you have a little bit too much money for a pimp.
No, nothing. The money was all we had. Our savings.
Yeah.
We wanted to get the fuck out of the country. I even bought the plane tickets. Let me show you.
Oh, really?
I checked my phone. The plane tickets are there.
So we're in the full-time actors.
I told you.
Yeah, he's telling the truth.
Of course I'm telling the truth. I told you, don't you? Now, get me some beers. I feel very shit. I need a doctor.
Doctor? Are you kidding me? You won't get a doctor here. Oh my god.
I need my stuff, man. I need my pills.
Your pills? You won't get any pills in here, you fucking junkie. Are you kidding me?
Relax.
What?
He's going through withdrawal.
Why are you defending him?
I'm not defending him.
Yes, you are. Junkies like this destroy your life.
Mine.
Yes. You of all people must know that.
I need a doctor.
Listen, detective, come on. Just think about your wife.
We're still listening to
Junkies like this destroy your life.
Yeah.
Just think about it.
Mae hi'n trio gwneud fe ffeint o, rydw hi?
Induso fe mewn I
Hi'n gwybod mae hynny'n digwydd.
So mae'n fframe o fe. Oherwydd os rwy'n ffeint o pam bych chi'n
Detective, oh my
gadael.
god, are you okay?
Yn union.
What happened?
A wedyn dweud, what happened? Oedd yn yr ystafell.
Okay, you need to get up. You have to go home and get some
Rwy'n hi,
rest.
obviously, wedi gwneud fe ffeint o gan siarad am y Cymraeg fe. Wedyn llaf y dude.
Ie, achos fe oedd e'n mynd I datgelu gormod a falle cael hi mewn trwbl, neu be bynnag. Odd iawn.
Finish.
Ble mae'r cabin na?
Yn credu o.
Ok. Ie. Ok. Mae fe jyst yn cwmpo cysgu ar y llawr. Pan mae fe llawr y cegin, neu if you want to know more about the hidden room, come to the abandoned brickyard. Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
A da ni jyst yn gwybod lle mae fe na.
Wrth gwrs. Ie, lleol iawn. sacks, 5 to 8. Nawr, mae fe'n teithio fyna. Heb hi, so dwi ddim di... O, achos na, mae'n mynd i jump off yn dwi. Yn dwi, ie.
Iawn.
Okay, go on. Gyflym nawr, ie?
Na.
Na, okay. Just cywir.
These depends on the correct answers to Susan.
Fine. Right.
Dwi'n meddwl rili llawer o'r siarad yma, cos nath ni ddeud bod ni wedi checio bwt e, nath ni.
Na. Na, so boot cyntaf, ie? Dyna be ni'n dweud, Emrys?
Ie.
Yeah, boot, okay. Check the trunk. Am ni angen ffeindio'r wire clippers, achos o'n ni'n gwybod o'r sgwrs yna. O'n ni'n dweud bod we found the wire clippers. Ond oedd hi dal yn gwadu popeth, achos wedyn ni dweud, oh, you don't have the evidence, so dyna yw'r issue. Be mae e? Oh, shut up! O'n i'n meddwl oedd hi ddim yn...
You're a wire clipper.
What?
Get in the car.
Na, o'n i ddim di clicio fe.
Mae'n iawn, da i'n gwybod bod wire clippers yna.
Phew, okay, fine. O'n i'n gwybod, so ddim rhaid ni clicio fe. O'n i'n meddwl, quick time event, o'n i angen clicio fe, a ma' hwnna mor anheg. Okay, fine. Fi ddim yn mynd i streso. Dim angen gweiddi. Okay, so, yeah, mae di gweithio hwnna mas, fine. Ti'n mynd yn bwyd, dim angen clicio nhw, fi'n clicio nhw anyway. Get in the car nawr.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. So. Tio, os oedd hyn yn scenario go iawn, bydden nhw wedi fel ffono mewn a dweud, right, I've seen this, come on, I need backup. Beth, check the backseat, check the glove box. Be, backseat? Mae'r glove box.
A glove box.
Okay. Bydden nhw beth fyna? Hello?
Hey, detective.
Susan?
Well, I'm very disappointed, but you know we have to take you in. But please, don't struggle.
Give me your firearm. Now.
Take it easy.
Okay, so you didn't get a firearm.
Well, you worked really hard for this, and I almost fell for it.
What do you mean?
Okay.
You sent the message, your seat was...
See, it was forward.
The seat was too far forward when I got in. It's impossible a long-legged Lucy could drive like this. Impossible for anybody, actually. Well, except maybe you, Grandma.
Grandma?
Yeah, to see, of course. But still, you don't have any hard evidence.
Oh. Wire clipper?
Stop!
Okay, sorry.
But wait, there's more. You already knew which door was Lucy's before we even got there. The door number. It was broken. 6 instead of 9.
Oh,
you didn't even hesitate for a second before you rushed in, because you had already been there.
Impressive. You still got it, detective.
Okay.
Had Diane's card.
You had Diane's card, yeah?
Yeah.
And you already knew Diane's address before you even ID'd her. I saw her card on your desk when I came over. And you probably stole her apartment keys after you hit her with this car.
No way.
Wow. Very smart.
No
you know
way.
What? I'm actually surprised.
But they went out 0 on day. They're ddim aware.
You had the tape?
Yeah, I in a all. Scratches on your arm.
Okay.
Oh, and the last one. Those tiny little details one should never forget. The scratches on your arm. They're from Lucy's cat. They weren't there from the beginning. That cat never did like you.
Ha ha ha. O'n i wedi gweithio hwnna mas though am y car.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Do you even hear yourself? You're sick, my friend. Never managed to get over your wife.
Leave my wife out of this.
Don't tell me that again. You're losing it right now. Every single time I bring that fucking dead bitch up, you just can't handle it. You faint, you fall on the ground, and you don't remember anything.
Susan, stop it. Stop it.
You know it's coming, the next blackout.
Stop it.
You remember your wife, detective? Lying on the bed, covered with blood, anything? Hello?
No, she can't be. She's alive.
Oh, you know it. You know it. But you're fucking weak to admit it. She is dead, my friend. Face it!
You fucking bitch.
Detective! Hey. You see, guys? Come on, start the engine. Start the engine.
Not so fast. Relax.
What are you doing? Stop!
Oh, what? I just have Van Damme for him.
God damn.
Right. Maybe need. Smash of it.
Good.
Check. Run.
Check.
Gaming over with you.
Yes.
Have a gun.
Well,
Take even a pen. Oh, I didn't bullet.
Hey.
Oh, hilarious. Come on, smash of it. Oh, sweep the leg. Yeah, we can go well as even reload. Sugar. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Try again. Surely, man, try again.
Oh my god.
Oh my days.
Try again. Okay, sweep the leg. Then a Johnny Lawrence move. And you're gonna right. Check. Oh, then into fire. Red.
I like what's trying for the bullets.
Yeah. Attack. Cael y gun. Dim pointed, di ond mewn mynd I trio anyway. Oh, right, coesau. Oh! Let's go, just pop that this way.
Good flag. Got lle oedd o?
Yeah, pretty even hit.
Di ddim sweep your leg.
Surely... Oh, there.
Oh my god!
Oh! Cop! Ti'n methu neud hwnna?
Yeah.
O ddim gwaed I split o though. What?
He's done. He's been.
Yeah, I'm ready for it. What?
Okay, I'm in a cute scene, remember?
Oh dear. Yn amlwg yn neud pethau bach yn wahanol yn dydw i. Fi ddim yn credu mae'r prot... O! Beth? Sut mae hwnna'n bosib? Beth?
What?
Oh! Okay, scene arall. Ah! Ti'n yn y rhan neu ti'n yn y merch yna? Oh, what? Ond e ddim yn ei synwyr. Pam oedd y person oedd yn trio lladd yn cysgu yn gwely fe? O falle dyna pam nhw'n galw fe'n deluded, achos chi gorfod bod yn deluded i chwarae'r gêm ma. What? Pam?
What is real?
Alternate ending. What is... Don't think of bob un point, though.
Yeah. Yeah, so beth oedd yr thing, achos fi ddim yn credu bod ni'n mynd trwy hwnna eto. Unless...
Na, hwnna di ultimate ending.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yr ultimate ending.
Yeah.
Okay. Ond mae kind of yn suggestio bod nhw'n thing gyda'i gilydd.
A hi oedd y Graig.
Yeah. Ond mae'r holl sgwrs yna o nhw'n dweud you keep blacking out when you talk about your dead wife. Alternate ending, what is real?
Oh my god.
What?
Current players, iawn. Ar Steam, okay? One, okay? Sef chdi, iawn. Ia, dim hwnna di bit yn gael fi. Hwn allan ers 2021, okay?
Yeah.
All time peak, iawn.
Yeah.
Sef concurrent players, 5.
5, oh. A ddyn nhw probably achos o rhywun di cael pobl i
gyd
chwarae. Yeah, big thing. Chi'n gallu neud hwnna i ni. Oh, wow. Wow. Load game.
Ti'n licio dyn nes i'n joio hwnna?
Na. Mae just... I wonder os Hungarian mae'r actio yn actual... Felly trio? Just, like, 5 eiliad. Just i clywed e.
Na.
Fi ddim yn siŵr. Fi'n gobeithio bod nhw yn digon.
Dwi'n meddwl na.
Detective, hey! Are you okay?
Ti'n iawn. Yeah, na. Oh, pity. O'n i'n gobeithio bod nhw. Right, deluded. Well...
Done.
Done. Dyn ni byth gorfod cyffroth o hwnna, byth eto.
Oedd o'n awful. Oedd o'n absolute awful.
Yeah.
Mae
rai cael fwy o heinau i gemau yma, a oedd hwnna really one-dimensional. A they just...
Dim hyd oedd y junk, I can live with junk. We've done junk.
Be ti'n gwybod ffyr un arall, when ni'n edrych ar Hijack a Jack?
Oh yeah, falle, ond yr un cwmni sydd wedi creu e, so...
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh no.
So oedd e rhwng hwn a Hijack a Jack, ond i ddweud y gwir, oedd Hijack a Jack, o'n i'n edrych trwy y reviews ar Steam, a oedd nhw'n eitha critical hefyd o nhw. Ond, you know, beth oedd e, 75 ceiniog, fi'n credu bydde'n well da fi prynu bag o losin, ond dyddi yma, mae hwnna'n ryd. So, you know, fi wastad yn joio gwylio gemau fel hyn o unrhyw safon, achos mae'n ddiddorol.
Eye-opening.
Yeah, dyna fe, fi'n credu...
Dwi yn meddwl na hwnna di'r gêm gweitha. Mae'n chwarae roed i streamio. Dwi'n methu meddwl yn bydd gwaith o hwnna.
Na, actually, off top of mhen, fi methu chwaith. Na, fi'n cytuno gyda ti.
Dwi'n mynd i sbio.
Thing yw, though, fi'n credu mae yna rhyw fath o leia mae gemau Wales Interactive FMVs. Maen nhw gyd gyda heinau gwahanol i'r gêm.
Dwi ddim yn licio FMV games efo quick times.
Na.
Ie, pa fa eto dod o fy nôl i contradiction. Hyn bod dwi'n lyfio contradiction.
Oedd e mor dda, oedd e, ie.
Gwyn amser, di.
Ie.
Dwi'n tyfu'n trwy restr o games da chi di chwarae.
Ie.
Efo yma. Deadstorm Pirates illa.
Paid wneud hwnna. Fe ma. Ni gyd yn ffrindiau. Mae'n di-seal. Mae Deadstorm Pirates...
Worms!
Okay, now we gwylio'r About Us, an independent tiny game studio from Hungary, creator of SOV, Hijacker, Jack and Deluded.
Oh, peth chi'n fawr Space Pirates.
Space Pirates. O'n i'n joio Space Pirates. Oh,
Hwna'n jank, de.
Oh, but the best kind of jank. O'n i'n joio... Owain, o ti'n joio Space Pirates hefyd, o ti?
Yeah, Space Pirates really da.
Mae gyda charm, though. Oedd hwn, dim charm da hwn, o gwbl. Dwi ddim...
Be oedd Slender Tubbies, The Slide in the Woods.
Oedd yna rhywbeth gwahanol hefyd.
Slender Tubbies yn funny.
Yeah.
Iawn, oce. Rwyth yn yr archif? Na.
Na.
Mi'n tro hen, stwff chi ddim. Sydd oedd pineapple on pizza.
Rwy'n fan o'n hoel.
There you go.
Rugby 22.
Oh, classic.
Rwy'n fan o'n just janky ac odd
Ond
with a janky.
funny though, achos pan o'n i'n chwarae gyda'n gilydd, fel Thomas ddim yn gwybod sut i roi'r pel lawr i sgorio.
Yeah.
It's just rhywbeth really funny amdano fe.
Rwy'n fan jank yn
A wedyn,
hwyl.
a jank o bod mor agos i'r post, bod ti'n bwrw'r postyn bod e'n right o flaen y postyn.
Yeah.
Mae pethau fel yna'n funny. Ti'n joio hwnna hefyd.
Ti efo Synd and Light Guns ys dwy fynnad?
Yeah.
Just yn tro hen fideos chi.
Yeah, fi'n credu oedd e yn ystod cyfnod Covid, oedd e?
Oh, Donkey Kong Country 2, hwnna.
Oh, here we go. Okay, fi'n credu mae hwn yn lle da i goffon y stream. Emrys yn beirniadu beth oedd y gêm gweitha ni wedi chwarae. Fi'n siŵr os taw gêm neu stream gweitha mae fe wedi dweud. Mae'r ddoi peth yna bach yn...
Fideo gweitha di ffidio tosor yn y shed.
Oedd hwnna'n fideo YouTube do, oedd hwnna ddim yn stream.
Just fideo chdi'n llnau SNES controller rank ma.
Ei, ti'n gwybod beth? Amser i arbrofi, a gallwn ni dweud bod hwnna'n cyfnod arbrofol, Emrys, you know? Ni yn trio pob fath o bethau gwahanol ar y fideo. Yeah. O'n i eisiau rannu'r cyffro o ffeindio rhywbeth nostalgia. Bydd neb really yn gallu rannu'r un cyffro, achos mae fe i wneud nostalgia personol fi, ond a dyna ni. So, hapus i symud ymlaen o hynny. Ond dyna ti cwestiwn, Emrys. Wyt ti'n gwybod am trackball games?
Marble Madness.
Ie, dwi wedi prynu trackball AliExpress.
Ti isio random fact am Trackball Madness? Y boi nath i'r gêm yna, di Chief Architect PlayStation yn. Fos basically di designio PS5 a PS4.
Oh, there we go.
Y boi na, efo specs, ydych boi specs yn Wayne's World, boi yna.
No way.
Yep.
Okay.
Marble Madness.
There we go. Wel, fi'n credu, o'n i wedi chwarae Marble Madness, fi'n credu. Mae yna un, ydy Marble Madness yw'n mewn castell?
Na, just 3D play.
Na, fi yw chwarae hwn. Oedd yna game tebyg mewn castell gyda fel...
Mae yna arcade Sonic the Hedgehog sy'n rhaid...
What's that?
Famous, oes.
Okay. Well,
games golf, weird.
Yeah, Open T, yeah. So, fi di prynu fe, mae di dod heddiw, a falle...
Irritating Maze.
Irritating Maze, okay. Well, yeah, I suppose fel Monkey Ball gallu di chwarae ar y fath na o beth, the Monkey Ball games.
Mae'n game specific, da.
Yeah. Ond mae'r emulator ni ddim eisiau dweud enw fe, nhw gyda cwpl o nhw. A fi'n curious i weld os mae'r un fi wedi prynu yn digonol neu digon dda i gallu, ond bydd hwnna'n rhywbeth...
Golden Tee, ie?
Golden Tee, ie.
Dwi'n sy'n meddwl game darts, yma.
Ie. Mae yna rai ar...
Missile Command.
Okay.
The classic, Missile Command.
Okay.
Dwi'n meddwl am byd arall.
Na, ond falle mae hwnna'n rhywbeth... Pam ar y 17th mae pawb yn dod, fi'n credu yw'r pryd ni'n mynd i cwrdd nesa. So falle bydd hwnna'n rhywbeth ni'n gallu arbrofi gyda. Neu falle nawn ni'n neud fwy o stuff...
Cabal.
definitely
Yn un.
arcade. Dyn ni'n neud rhywbeth arcade-y, ond... Ie, dyna'n good. OK, wel dyna ni. Deluded. Chi gorfod bod deluded I chwarae fe. Ni wedi chwarae fe, so chi byth gorfod chwarae fe. A dyna gyd ni'n gallu dweud amdano hynny. Byddwn ni dal yn amyneddgar gyda Gêm FMV, achos dwi'n hoffi'r Jean... Wel, ni enjoyo chwarae nhw, achos mae ba movie night yn dywe, ni'n gallu gwylio... A mae'r opsiynau yn eitha random a obscure, mae'n diddorol, ond hwn probably yw'r gweithaf o'r genre yma hyd yma. So, yeah, take it on the chin, a nawn ni gadael F yna am heddiw. Yeah. Cool. Right, diolch am wylio, a gweld chi yn y stream nesaf. Pob hwyl.
Ideal. Hwyl.
Hwyl.
Wow.
Aha. Dyna ni.